All right, and some news just coming in. Well, Yashasvi Jaiswal's dismissal sparks a controversy. No movement in ultra-edge technology, but third umpire rules Yashasvi out. India lose fourth test against Australia. BCCI says Yashasvi Jaiswal was clearly not out. What happened there really is the big question. No movement in ultra-edge technology, which has in fact led the third umpire to rule that Yashasvi Jaiswal out. India lose the fourth test against Australia as an outcome of that. BCCI is adamant that this was clearly not out, is what the BCCI said. Nitin getting in more details. BSSI not mincing any words there, Nitin, in saying that Yashasvi Jaiswal was not out. But what is it that they're going to do about this, given that India has lost the fourth test against Australia?
Well, I mean, technically you can't do anything because match is over. India has, lost the fourth test match in Melbourne, and Australians have taken advantage. But what happened on the ground was, more concerning and more serious, because the way Jaiswal was given out by third umpire is something very, very, concerning. On-field umpire went upstairs to check with the third umpire what exactly has happened, because the ball was on the backside of, the bat. So on-field umpire could not see that. But again, keeping all the technology in mind and all the available sources in mind, third umpire given out to Jaiswal. But there was a, when he checked the sneakometer, there was a flat line. There was no movement at all. But there was a deflection. So by having, that idea, the third umpire, had a conclusive evidence against Jaiswal and he gave him out. But this is something very interesting. I mean, there are not only one instance, but again, there was a second out which was given to Akash. There is also a difference, between bat and ball. So there are two, big controversies over there, two big questions which ICC needs to reply, because BCCI, they are clearly saying that Jaiswal was not out. So, this actually cost India, because Jaiswal was closing to his century also. And again, Akashdeep, if he would have there, we would have managed to draw this match. But again, we have lost it, and huge controversy on Jaiswal's, out.
Yes, BCCI, this was a clear case of Jaiswal being not out. Remember, we're telling you about Yashasvi Jaiswal, the dismissal of whom has sparked a huge controversy. No movement in the ultra-edge technology, but third umpire has ruled Yashasvi Jaiswal out. India lose the fourth test against Australia. BCCI says Yashasvi Jaiswal was clearly not out. That's what, in fact, Rajiv Shukla has gone on to say. This comes after a controversial decision that was taken. As far as DRS is concerned, India losing the fourth match against Australia. Yashasvi Jaiswal, many talk about the fact, is in fact, or rather was, the victim of the DRS. A huge DRS controversy is what is now being spoken about. BCCI not mincing their words. Now, the team has been left fuming as well when this decision was taken, ruling Yashasvi Jaiswal out. Jaiswal was actually looking in brilliant form against the Australian bowlers, but his gritty knock came to an end as he was caught behind of the bowling of Pat Cummins. Jaiswal decided to pull a short delivery from Cummins, but the ball went behind and was caught by Alex Carey. Well, the umpire did not think that there was any edge involved. The Australia cricketers looked confident as they opted for a review there.